The turning point: Ali was a 22-year-old young man living in a small town. Every morning, he helped his father at the market, selling fruits and vegetables. Life was simple, but Ali had big dreams. He wanted to become a teacher and help children in his community learn and grow, but there was a problem: Ali had never finished school. His family couldn't afford the fees, so he dropped out when he was 15. Still, he never gave up. Every night after work, he studied by himself using old books and his phone. He watched videos, read articles, and even practiced speaking English with an app. One day, a visitor from the city came to the market. He was a school director looking for young people who wanted to join a new training program for future teachers. Ali was shy, but he introduced himself and spoke in English. The director was impressed. A month later, Ali moved to the city. It wasn't easy, but he worked hard, studied every day, and finished the program. 2 years later, Ali returned to his hometown not as a market boy, but as a teacher. Now, every morning, he walks into his classroom with a smile, helping children chase the dreams he once had.